going to show you, you're going to see the tire. You're going to see that, hey, listen, this is just not a good idea to be anywhere near a down high voltage wire, okay? Okay, that electrical arc right there, we talked about that earlier. That's about the same temperature of the surface of the sun, 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So our guys could actually get burned if they're up there working on lines and it's energized and they're not properly protected, covering up with rubber line hose. But you guys that are riding bikes and things like that after a storm just need to be aware that, hey, if there's a down power line, you guys just need to stay away from it, right? Because the worst case would be, or the best case is that you're probably going to get burnt from it. The worst case is you could die from it. And the same thing kind of goes for rubber boots. This is a rubber chore boot. Farmer normally will wear that. We just recently had a lot of flooding and people think, well, I'm going to go down in the basement. It's about 4 inches. I'll wear my rubber tie or my rubber boot. Same thing. I mean, that's not a tested dielectric boot. It's not a...
Whoa, that's a screen fire. Whoa.
So that same arc, you're not protected by just wearing sneakers or rubber boots. You hear from people, well, I got rubber boots on. Well, you know what? That's not primary protective equipment. It's not a tested rubber boot. So don't be fooled into thinking you got rubber boots. And what you're going to see at your house is this cover wire right here. That covering can come off, and even though it's a lower voltage, it's just as dangerous as the high voltage. So what we're going to do is energize this again, show you what happens, what could happen if you put that ladder again. You see how that arc illustrates a human hand? One of the fingers has got a hot dog on. And really that's kind of like the same component of the makeup of your fingers, right? Okay, it's like 95% water, it's got some meat on it. We're literally going to cook that hot dog on that car door because that car door is sitting at the same potential as those overhead wires. Okay? Go ahead. Yeah, that's a dirty hot dog, but it's going to cook that hot dog. What's that? Okay, so what? Everybody watch the door. Okay? Alright, so what happened there, it bridges the gap or tries to go from the line off the pole. It blows a fuse, okay? And that fuse helps isolate